What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today, we're dove hunting. My brother's already killed one pigeon. That thing was under the cattle trailer. Like we saw it flying, yeah, and then like if we were rocking it. That's where that thing just boom, popping. Oh, there's a dove up there. And yeah, we're dove hunting. It's raining, which is I don't like, but I'll see y'all if we kill any. Hold up. They were high. I'm reloading. We're back at the barn. We decided to have another dove hunt right before the weekend was over, and Warren just got one. I have another over there that I just got, but he obliterated this one. His was flying. Mine was on the power line right over there. And yeah, it's about to be a good afternoon. We should kill some. Well, what is up, guys, and welcome back to another one. Now we're in the house, and we have the dove breast right here. We got the big fat pigeon breast, and we're gonna be comparing the two and seeing which one's better to eat and which one you should go at, and like this dove season and stuff. And we also have more dove that we're gonna cook tonight, and I'll show y'all some of those. And we're gonna be doing dove poppers, but with a pigeon. We're probably gonna cut in half because, as you can see, this thing is massive. So we're gonna have to cut that in half and make like 4 poppers out of that actually. And I guess I'll see y'all when I get all the stuff out. Adios. Alright, well, change of plans. We don't have any bacon, so we're gonna have to just do salt and pepper, which is really a good way to do it, but I actually have not done it before, me personally, but I've eaten them like that. So, as always, you just cut down that bone right there. Cut down through there, like that. Boom. One good chunk right there. And also before this, what I do is I rip the wings out of the dove, and that like rips up this flap. So I mean, all you have to cut is like that right there. Basically, that's all you have to do. But I like cutting it down the bone because you get as much meat off as like you can. And alright. Now we got the big old pigeon. Oh, sucker. Big. I also soaked these in salt water since earlier this morning. And that helped get a lot of the blood out. Not all, but it helped some. Usually try and get that white thing out. Okay, good chunk. You just cut down through there. I thought Leo was in the trash or something for a second. One second. I think he's eating trash or something. I'll be back. Well, I found the culprit. He was chewing on a piece of tinfoil. Apparently he likes tinfoil now. Leo, you like tinfoil? You're not a robot. You can't eat metal, bud. It's not good for you. Don't do that. No. Well, back to what we were doing. Well, we got this big piece off and this big piece. I'm gonna cut these. Nah, I'll just leave them whole. I'm just gonna. Then I'll throw those in the trash or something. And oh yeah, I got salt and pepper these. That's right. Oh, there's only one problem. I have no pepper. Here it is. Here's pepper. So, just pepper and salt. Then do that. Do it all on this side. You gotta hit her again. There we go. And that's one little piece. Put a little too much on that. Alright, now put this one. There we go. Do the same to the little guys over here. Alright. Huh? Yeah, I am. I'm all done. And this is basically all you have to do. Alright, well, the GoPro battery died on my GoPro. So, these were still here, and I just went and swapped out the battery. And I guess I'll see y'all at the grill. Alright, well, I got the little Dove and Pigeon breast right here. And so basically all you got to do is just throw them on the grill like that. Just throw them out there. Just like that. Ooh, sizzling. Alright. And then I had it on 400, but now that I opened it, it dropped down. Should kick back up. See it right there. And I'll see y'all when all those are done. I think I'm gonna put the Dove on for like maybe 5 minutes, pigeons for like 8, just because they're a bigger, thicker, meatier bird. And I'll see y'all when all those birds get cooked. It's been 3 minutes, I think. I'm gonna check on them and see if I need to flip the meat. The tongs are over here. One second. Yeah. Flip that one. Ooh, that one's about to fall in the crack. See? Ooh. They're sticking to the grill. Yeah. Alright, yeah, that's all the meat I got right there. Not much. Should ramp back up to 400. I'm gonna set another timer for, I think, 4.5 minutes. I'll see y'all when that one's done. The timer hadn't gone off, but I just checked on them. They look almost done. I think they're done. I'll take them off. Well, I'll check one of them. Oh yeah, the Dove's done. Take them off. Oh yeah. Look at the Dove right there. Oh yeah. little chicken nuggets. Them, they're gonna need a little bit longer because they're pretty big. I'll leave them on the side. Actually, nope. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna let them sit for about a minute or two and check them, see how they are. I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, it's been about a minute or two. Let's check them, see if they're done. The Dove, I just tried a little bit. It is really, really good. Alright, this is what we're dealing with right here. Oh yeah, that one's done. That may be a little overcooked. This one be the rarest out of them all. Alright, I think I want to come back later and cook all the rest of the little Dove breasts that we have in there and eat those and test them out and stuff. But I'm going to show y'all here in a sec which one's better, pigeon or Dove. Wesley's also going to be in this, and I'll show y'all what he thinks of it. Alright, now I'll see y'all when we're in the kitchen. Starting off with Wesley, and he's starting off with the pigeon. Eat it. Is it a bit tough?
It's a little bit, it's not bad.
So how is it?
Taste is good. It's a little tougher than Dove.
Alright, now try that little piece of Dove right there. And
this one?
Yeah, no, that one. Because I've already eaten off that.
It's more tender. Tastes
Dove's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more tender. Yeah. So basically, pigeons are, I mean, a big Dove, but I mean, Dove are way more tender because they're like little chicken nuggets, like this, and they're real tender. They're good. Leo, I would let you taste test, but I mean, you can't eat, bro. You got in that tinfoil earlier. I ain't gonna let you eat that. Well, yeah. I'm gonna try the pigeon though. See how I like it. Here goes. It tastes just the same, but it's a little bit tougher. Dove's better in my opinion, though. But I mean, both of them are really good. And if y'all ever have a chance at any of them, I'd go for them because both of them are a ton of fun to kill. Really good to eat. And I mean, this is all for the video. I'll see y'all next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see y'all in the next one.